AC repair mistakes and how to avoid them. Worried about your air conditioner? Generally speaking, keeping it clean ensures it functions for 10 to 20 years. Avoiding these common HVAC repair mistakes will also help. 1. Ignoring filters. Air filters can damage HVAC units over time. These pick up debris and become full, making them useless to the unit. Air must flow freely to work properly. 2. Ignoring noises. If you don't usually hear the noise, something might be wrong with the unit. In that case, you may need AC repair services in Fort Myers, Florida. Caught early, a professional can fix what's broken. Otherwise, you'll need HVAC repair. Call 1-866-281-5199 or visit ellsworthair.com to contact Ellsworth in Fort Myers today.